Residents ignore explosion threat. Scoop fuel from falling tanker in Warri.
There is right here reporting live a falling tanker, Warri Sapele Road, opposite the tomatoes market. Look at people. People are scooping fuel. Danger to life. Look at people. Look at falling tanker. People are scooping fuel. Look at them scooping fuel. Scooping fuel. Warri. Look at them. They are scooping fuel. The tanker fell down now. People are scooping fuel. Look at them running to take fuel. Reporting live today, Wednesday, 18th of Wednesday. Look at people. Look at them running to go and scoop fuel. A falling tanker. Look at people running. Reporting live from Warri, Sapele Road, opposite Tomatoes Market, before Mercyland. Look at people. Look at them running to go and scoop fuel. A falling tanker.